English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 25.
We need to focus on sales this quarter.
Exactly. Absolutely. That's a good point. Yes, I agree.
These interns have been a huge help.
I suppose so. I suppose you're right. I think our system needs updating.
Me too. So do I. I don't like the new office at all.
Me neither. Nor do I.
I don't like the new signs.
Me neither.
I thought the training was useful.
So did I.
I think this software is easy to use.
Me too. I like our new manager.
So do I. I don't understand this graph.
Me neither.
I didn't enjoy that lunch at all.
Nor did I.
I think the new marketing team is great.
Me too. They're very hard-working.
I thought the talk was really interesting.
I suppose you're right, but it was so long.
I didn't understand that complicated talk.
Nor did I. It was too difficult.
The new head of admin is very efficient.
Yes, I agree. She is very friendly too.
It's good that we can buy parking permits.
I suppose so, but they are expensive.
I like the new packaging designs.
Me too. They're practical and cheap.
I didn't like the old head of HR.
Neither did I. He was always moody.
I thought the lunch was great today.
So did I. The menu was excellent.
We should buy more of these new models.
Yes, but... I'm sorry, but I think I disagree. I'm afraid I don't agree. We'll probably finish by 5 p.m.
I'm not sure about that. You could be right, but...
This design is fantastic.
I'm afraid I totally disagree. I'm sorry, but I don't agree at all.
I'm really not sure about that new ad. You could be right, but I think it's ugly. I'm afraid we disagree about the price. I'm sorry, but I don't agree, Jan. I'm afraid I disagree. It's too expensive. I'm sorry, Joe, but I don't agree at all.
Well, that was an interesting meeting. They want to make a lot of changes, don't they?
I'm not sure that the changes are all good.
Oh, really? Which ones didn't you like? I love that we are having showers put in. It's great for people like me who cycle to work.
I'm sorry, but I disagree. We are losing part of the staff room so that they can build a shower room, and only 3 people cycle to work.
Oh, but what about the hot drinks machines? We'll have a choice of 5 different coffees. That will be great.
I suppose so, but we will have to pay for drinks now. What do you think about having team meetings every Friday now? I used to like them on Mondays. It was better at the beginning of the week.
I'm not sure about that. I think it's better on Friday because we can plan for the week ahead. But I do like the idea of us all going to the convention in Santiago.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it already.
I'm sorry, but I have to disagree with you about that. Yes, I suppose you're right about the new design. You could be right, but I need to do more research. I'm sorry, but I don't agree at all with that comment. I'm afraid I don't agree about this one issue. I'm not sure about that, Sarah. I don't like it. I'm afraid I totally disagree. That will never work.
End of Lesson 25.